Hey guys, Travis Gillespie here. In the last video we were dividing decimals by whole numbers, and we're going to continue on doing the same thing. I'm going to erase this information from the screen, and I'm going to write our expression on the screen as x divided by 6. So here's our expression. We're asked to evaluate this expression, and then we're being told x is equal to 4.8. 4x could be equal to 0.54, and x is equal to 0.0012. Now I'm going to work with each of these values one at a time, but we're going to substitute each of them in for x. So let's just get an arrow on that first one. We're going to substitute in for x. So the first one that we're going to work with is 4.8, I'm going to write that here, 4.8 divided by 6, so 6 is knocking on the door. I'm going to line the decimal up top, on top of my house on the roof. So I'm going to change colors. 6 does not go into 4, but 6 goes into 48 8 times, and 8 times 6 is 48. And when I subtract 48 minus 48, I bottom out at 0, I don't have a remainder. And I'm going to rewrite this answer below as 0.8 and box it up. Let's move on to our next given value for x, 0.54, and I'm going to substitute it in for x. So now I have 0.54. I'm going to write that down, 0.54. It's inside the house being divided by 6. So I'm going to bring a 6 down. 6 does, and I'm actually going to line that decimal up on the roof. 6 does not go into 0. 6 does not go into 5, but 6 goes into 54 9 times. 9 times 6 is 54. And when I subtract these values, let's fix that 4 real quick. When I subtract these values, I bottom out at 0. And let's rewrite this answer below. I'm going to just change pen colors again as 0.09, and I'm going to box that answer. And let's move on to our next given value for x, 0.0012. And I'm going to write that down. 0.0012 is inside the house. 6 is knocking on the door. Let's change pen colors. I'm going to align the decimal up top. 6 does not go into 0, it does not go into 0, nor 0 again. 6 does not go into 1, but it goes into 12. 2 times 6 gives me a value of 12, and when I subtract, I'm going to bottom out at 0. So the answer I'm going to write down below is 0.0002. And I can box this up. Cool stuff, guys. I'll see you in another video.